Hello. So today we are going to see the chatbot, chatbot which runs in our local, and how it's give response according to the our given text. And there are the libraries we will going to use in. The first one is Torch, and the second one is Transformers. You can see, and through the Transformers we are using the distilled BERT model. Basically, distilled BERT is a filter model of BERT. Right, it's faster than BERT. It has less parameter than original BERT model, but it faster when we can use small data size or small queries in that. Okay, so first I have to enable my environment variable, where I'm using the virtual env, so that's why I have to enable it. So, and my file name is chatbot5.py, so I have to run with this command, python chatbot5.py. Yeah, so in that file our our context is Python was created by Guido von Rosen and was released by 1991. So we will ask our chatbot to who developed Python, when it's created. So according to the given context, he will give us answer of that. Okay, so it's ready to see. Okay, so he is saying ask a question, so I am writing who created Python. Okay, so it's taking a couple of seconds. Yeah, so there is our answer. Okay, so I have skipped the video because first time it's take time to load. So here is the answer our the name of creator, and when Python created 1991. It's very accurate because our context is only one line. So I am changing the context here. I am writing something different. Okay, I am writing the about Arvind Kejriwal, is Chief Minister of Delhi. Okay, so after the change of context, we have to rerun our program. Okay, so I am restarting the program here. Yeah. So I have asked new question, who is Arvind Kejriwal? So it's giving Chief Minister of Delhi. Yeah. So that's it. That's our local chatbot. And thank you. Please subscribe and like.